Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got something really helpful for you. If you've ever struggled to ask or answer simple questions at the hospital in English, this video is just for you. I'll cover daily use conversations that you can use with doctors, nurses, and staff to make your visits smoother and stress-free. But before we jump in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on more useful videos. All right, let's get started.
Can I book an appointment with Dr. Smith? Can I book an appointment with Dr. Smith?
Yes, Dr. Smith is available tomorrow at 3 p.m. Yes, Dr. Smith is available tomorrow at 3 p.m.
Is there an emergency room here? Is there an emergency room here?
Yes, the emergency room is on the ground floor. Yes, the emergency room is on the ground floor.
Where is the billing counter? Where is the billing counter?
The billing counter is to your right. The billing counter is to your right.
Do I need to fill out any forms? Do I need to fill out any forms?
Yes, please fill out these registration forms. Yes, please fill out these registration forms.
Are you experiencing any pain? Are you experiencing any pain?
Yes, I have sharp pain in my chest. Yes, I have sharp pain in my chest.
Do you have any allergies? Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin. Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin.
Have you taken any medication? Have you taken any medication?
I took some paracetamol this morning. I took some paracetamol this morning.
Could you describe the pain? Could you describe the pain?
It's a dull, throbbing pain. It's a dull, throbbing pain.
Have you had this problem before? Have you had this problem before?
No, this is the first time. No, this is the first time.
Can you point to where it hurts? Can you point to where it hurts?
It hurts here, in my lower back. It hurts here, in my lower back.
Do you feel any dizziness or nausea? Do you feel any dizziness or nausea?
Yes, I feel very dizzy. Yes, I feel very dizzy.
Do I need any tests? Do I need any tests?
Yes, you need a blood test and an X-ray. Yes, you need a blood test and an X-ray.
How long will the test take? How long will the test take?
It will take about 30 minutes. It will take about 30 minutes.
When will I get the test results? When will I get the test results?
The results will be ready tomorrow. The results will be ready tomorrow.
Where is the lab? Where is the lab?
The lab is on the second floor. The lab is on the second floor.
How often should I take this medicine? How often should I take this medicine?
Take it twice a day after meals. Take it twice a day after meals.
I'm having chest pain. What should I do? I'm having chest pain. What should I do?
Please come to the emergency room immediately. Please come to the emergency room immediately.
My child has a high fever. Can I see a pediatrician now? My child has a high fever. Can I see a pediatrician now?
Yes, we'll arrange for the pediatrician to see your child. Yes, we'll arrange for the pediatrician to see your child.
Can you call an ambulance? Can you call an ambulance?
Yes, the ambulance is on its way. Yes, the ambulance is on its way.
Is there a 24-hour pharmacy here? Is there a 24-hour pharmacy here?
Yes, the pharmacy is open 24/7. Yes, the pharmacy is open 24/7.
Do I need surgery? Do I need surgery?
Yes, the doctor recommends a minor procedure. Yes, the doctor recommends a minor procedure.
When can I go home after the surgery? When can I go home after the surgery?
You can go home tomorrow if everything looks good. You can go home tomorrow if everything looks good.
What are the risks of this surgery? What are the risks of this surgery?
There's a small risk of infection or bleeding. There's a small risk of infection or bleeding.
Do I need someone to stay with me? Do I need someone to stay with me?
Yes, it's best to have someone with you after the surgery. Yes, it's best to have someone with you after the surgery.
What precautions should I take after surgery? What precautions should I take after surgery?
Avoid heavy lifting and get plenty of rest. Avoid heavy lifting and get plenty of rest.
What should I eat during recovery? What should I eat during recovery?
Stick to light, nutritious meals. Stick to light, nutritious meals.
Is there a cafeteria here? Is there a cafeteria here?
Yes, the cafeteria is on the ground floor. Yes, the cafeteria is on the ground floor.
What if I need to cancel my appointment? What if I need to cancel my appointment?
Please call us at least 24 hours in advance. Please call us at least 24 hours in advance.
What documents do I need for admission? What documents do I need for admission?
You'll need your ID, insurance card, and any referral letters. You'll need your ID, insurance card, and any referral letters.
What's included in the hospital stay? What's included in the hospital stay?
It includes meals, basic nursing care, and room charges. It includes meals, basic nursing care, and room charges.
Is there Wi-Fi in the hospital? Is there Wi-Fi in the hospital?
Yes, Wi-Fi is available for patients and visitors. Yes, Wi-Fi is available for patients and visitors.
Do you have a wheelchair facility? Do you have a wheelchair facility?
Yes, we provide wheelchairs for patients who need them. Yes, we provide wheelchairs for patients who need them.
Is there a play area for kids? Is there a play area for kids?
Yes, there's a small play area on the first floor. Yes, there's a small play area on the first floor.
Do I have the right to choose my doctor? Do I have the right to choose my doctor?
Yes, you can request a specific doctor if available. Yes, you can request a specific doctor if available.
Is there a pharmacy inside the hospital? Is there a pharmacy inside the hospital?
Yes, the pharmacy is on the ground floor near the reception. Yes, the pharmacy is on the ground floor near the reception.
What is the hospital's phone number? What is the hospital's phone number?
The main contact number is 0000. The main contact number is 0000.
Is parking free at the hospital? Is parking free at the hospital?
No, there's a parking fee of $5 per hour. No, there's a parking fee of $5 per hour.
Are visitors allowed during COVID-19? Are visitors allowed during COVID-19?
Visitors are limited to one person per patient and must wear a mask. Visitors are limited to one person per patient and must wear a mask.
Can I visit a patient in the ICU? Can I visit a patient in the ICU?
Yes, but ICU visits are restricted to specific hours. Yes, but ICU visits are restricted to specific hours.
Can children visit the hospital? Can children visit the hospital?
Yes, but they must follow health and safety rules. Yes, but they must follow health and safety rules.
Can visitors bring homemade food? Can visitors bring homemade food?
Homemade food is allowed if approved by the attending nurse. Homemade food is allowed if approved by the attending nurse.
What information do I need to fill in the patient registration form? What information do I need to fill in the patient registration form?
You'll need your name, contact details, medical history, and insurance details. You'll need your name, contact details, medical history, and insurance details.
Do I need to bring my previous medical reports? Do I need to bring my previous medical reports?
Yes, bring all relevant documents and test results. Yes, bring all relevant documents and test results.
Do you provide health checkup packages? Do you provide health checkup packages?
Yes, we offer basic and comprehensive health checkup packages. Yes, we offer basic and comprehensive health checkup packages.
Can I get an estimate of my total hospital bill? Can I get an estimate of my total hospital bill?
Yes, our billing department can provide an estimated cost based on your treatment plan. Yes, our billing department can provide an estimated cost based on your treatment plan.
That's it for today's video. I hope these questions and answers will help you feel more confident during your hospital visits. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like to learn about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and bye for now.